a set T such that x is greater than minus 2 and also x is less than and equals to 9. We're now asked to find the number of times in that set. So what could be the set now? They say x is less than, greater than minus 2. That means start from minus 1. Minus 1 is greater than minus 2. Next one will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. They say x is less than or equals to 9. So 9 is also included. So the number of elements in the sets will be what? Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. That's all. Please share this video.